make it today embarrassing today. And Queen God O'Malley is nose up again. And her new look, you can see me. Let me see how to do this because my hands is a little bit difficult passing this. How I can open it. One hand, you can see. I buy Five Below for $5, and Amazon have for $9.95. You can see we have clip that you can put it in the phone. I think I forgot buy a stand for that, but I'm gonna pause the video for a second and put it in myself. Play this. Hold for a second and see how that works. Okay, guys, I put this in the phone. I don't know sure it's working right now, but I can tell you guys I have really blessed this month with a lot of stuff, and that is the embossing clear is clear on microphone 3.5 milligram auto connect perfect for podcast string, and say how really good. It has 1 year limit cleaning and flavor to recycle, but it's really nice. It's ask me anything. That's cool. Yeah, guys, it's really embossing this, and I have a lot of stuff to share with guys. It's really nice embossing. You can find Five Below. It's in 28 in Cascade. The other one is Iron and I don't know remember the other street. And they have Michael. Okay, you have Michael, Sally. Okay, first is Sally first in the store, and then Michael, Five Below, and the other store Astro past Tiger. And that is what it is, guys. There's an embossing for this. I want to know there's really you can hear me every time I say next time buy a stem for my phone as like you can see this. Remember guys, subscribe, share it, like the video, and tell me you really hear me what I'm saying right now. And see you next time, guys. And you have God bless you and beautiful day.